Hi, this video is to show some of the Google slide insert shapes using some of the shape to sort of dress up the um, the pictures or tutorial or how to slide. So this is an example of that I add the border around this title, and I put the two red arrow, or I add a little caption here. If I don't have all these these shapes, I would have just a plain photo image like this lower right corner. This is how you do it. In the Google slide or PowerPoint, or you could use Microsoft PowerPoint, it works the same thing. So each shape is an object. So this is an object. The red arrow is a one object, object number one. If I insert, for the second one here, if I insert a text inside the arrow, I have the second object or object number two. So whenever I want to move the red arrow, I have to move twice. I have to move the red arrow object number one, and also I have to move object number two, the text, to reposition to go with object number one, the red arrow. So for each object right here, it said number one, you could change the color. You could change a red arrow to a different color, or you could also change the border lines, the thickness and the color. You could also resize the object, and then you could move the object to another location. So let me show you a demo. For example, if I do insert, this is a text box, but I'm not going to do the text box now. I'm going to do the shape. The shape, you have four area. One is the regular shape. So those are all basic. The next one is a group of arrows. You have different kind of arrow, and this is the call out. Okay, and then this is a equation. So let's do the shape for now. Let's do the arrow. So click on this, and I just put it like this. Okay, so I have an arrow here. So if I want to do a red arrow, I have to go to this ink bucket and select my color. So let's say orange or yellow. Not sure what color is this, but anyway. And if I want to add something inside the arrow, I have to go insert text box and just put it here. So I could type my text. I could make it like small or large. Also, I could change the color of the fonts. Okay, so just a text color. So that's a three dot here for more menu. So this has to be activated. The object number two have to be activated in order for this to show up. So I click away here, and I show this arrow here. I also could insert other shape, and here's a example. I could insert the circle with a number. I could insert the star, circle, rectangle shape, and all this. Now one of the call out is the one that I always use too. So this is a call out. So you click on it, and let me go back to my demo, and then I just put it here. Okay, so you see the triangle. This is where I could stretch out. So I click on it with a plus. Okay, so I click on it and drag it out. So I would point it any place I want to. Then, oh, sorry. Let me do it again. Okay, I have to have steady hand on the mouse. Okay, click on it, and then drag it out, and let go. Okay, so it's a click with a plus, click, and then drag it out, and then could point any direction. Okay, right? If I want to change the color, I could activate this, click on it, and then I could change any color. Okay. One thing about the box, let me do again. If you want to do a box, let's see here, wait just a minute. Okay, if I want to insert a box, let's see, shape the box, oh wait, box. Okay, so this is all sort of white in the background, and if I want to cover this, it won't do it. Okay, so it just cover with a white background. So what I do is that I would go up here to the ink bucket, and then I would go down here to say transparent. So once I click on transparent, it removes the white color. Okay, so it shows that it shows a word that I want to highlight this. Now when I click away, it just shows a black border line. Let's say I want to make it thicker or make it a color border, so I would activate that, and by clicking the mouse inside the box, and I would say right here, here's a border color. Okay, the border color, I would click on it. Let's say I want purple, so let's see where they did it. So you have purple line. And if I want to say I want to make the line thicker, that means let me see here. No, let's see. Format. Oh, format there. I say format. Format, border, and lines. And then I would say border type. Come down here, and I want to say double. So now it's double. Okay. Hang on. Hold on. I'll click away all that. So it shows a purple line, border line with double line. So that's how it looks. So make sure that for transparent, right here, transparent. Okay, that's very important point here. So I could do, you could try a different shade and see how it looks like. The shape could be rotation. So each shape have a rotational indicator. So you go up here, and you have a plus sign. Then you click and drag. Okay, so you see that it's sort of pointing down. So I let go. Oh, we didn't do it. Oh no, I did it wrong. I dragging on this one. So it's this one here. So here, let me do it again. So click on it, drag it down. The arrow start pointing down. So the arrow pointing down. Okay. Or you could resize it. The arrow, make it thinner or narrow. Okay. You could want to do an equal sign. You could just drag the corner, and then equal sign, make it bigger or shorter here, come down here. Okay, so that's the idea. If each object have a rotation, you could rotate different angle, or you could completely 90 degree or 360 degree rotate. Okay. Okay, so this one is let me show you. Okay, this one is a word art. Okay, and you could get this by doing insert word art here. So let me go back to my demo slide here. Okay, insert word art, come down here, click on it, and this is a box where you type whatever word you want to type or message. So if I click away, and this is my my word art here. Okay, so I could make it like this color. Hopefully I could do it right here. Let's say I want to do purple. Okay, so the word title, and it's too big, so I could just narrow it down smaller. Okay, this is how you make it smaller. Okay, or you could highlight the text. Oh, you see, I know how to do this. No, you cannot highlight. Sorry. You could change it here to a different font. Okay, so that's a different font. Okay. Or you can make it like shorter here, narrow. Okay, so that's how it looks. That's called word art. Insert word art. Okay, it's just a different look. The one I find that really useful is this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I guess you could come here and copy and paste that. Another way to get it is from okay, let's see here. Diagram steps. Not here. Diagram. Okay, you could put the number or alphabet by inserting shape. Let's say a circle. So I do a circle here. I'll make it bigger first, you know, to work on it, so I could see. And then I could insert text box. So I'll put a text box in there, and I could either put a number or alphabet like 1. Okay, and I would make this this circle red color. Okay, that's red. And then I would go in here to the text box, double click. So I would have a vertical line and then highlight that. And I would make the font size larger. And I would change the color to white, right here by the 3 dot. Color font to change it to white because they have a red background. So here we go. So it looks a little bit large, so I will have to resize, come out here, resize, and just push it out, make the circle smaller. Oh, I lost my one here. Okay, so make sure this one go up a little bit, and then just push it out, and then push it in. So like resize it, you know, like make it the way you want it. Okay, be careful because the one is a white font, so don't let it go out of the way, otherwise you can't find. Oh, by the way, anytime here's a one here. Oh, let me click away. Here's one here. So anytime you make a mistake, you want to go back one step or several previous steps, you could do undo. This is an undo arrow here. Okay, you could undo, 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 undo. Okay, as many times as you need. So here's a circle here. I mean number 1, or you could put A, B, C. You could put A there, like that. So that will work too. Okay. So I think that's it. Here's some of the sample here. The star, all this. All right, that's it. Bye bye.